sunny Wednesday afternoon here in the Philippines, and I'd like to discuss how to manage personal problems using a certain methodology that's a tried and tested approach in some of the corporate issues or challenges that we normally have. So I thought that what if we use that methodology in solving personal problems that such as, let's say, financial, health, relationships, etc., or even as simple as passing an exam or maintaining a healthy habit, etc. So why not use the agile methodology in managing these problems, right? So what is agile? Again, this is not a workshop, but the purpose of this conversation is merely to establish a basic foundation on everything, because what I don't want to happen is the moment you and viewing this conversation, you forget everything. So why not establish things that that can be remembered very easily? So just remember this: agile is a methodology wherein you subdivide the problems into small problems. Like, for example, let's say you want to pass an exam. So let's say you're taking a math exam. So maybe what you can do is review the previous test that you did, and let's say there are 100 items, so focus on the first 5 items, and tell yourself what are the mistakes, what are the nature of my mistakes. Maybe I haven't understood the formulas. Maybe instead of understanding it, I memorized. So and then list the top 3 things that you can do to improve on the next exam. So another problem would be, let's say you have a financial problem. Let's say you are spending 1,000 pesos per day, but your income is less than that. So maybe look at your expenses. What can be prevented? Definitely food cannot be prevented, right? So maybe it's that problem is teaching you a way for you to optimize your resources. Maybe you need to try food that are healthy yet inexpensive. Maybe you are focusing too much on very expensive food, but forgetting that there are certain foods that are not that expensive but is healthy and will provide you with the necessary energy for you to do your day. Let's say you're looking for opportunities for businesses. So look at your skills, maybe. Look at the things that you are very passionate about. So look into that. So the main thing here, guys, is if we focus on the problem itself, whether big or small, then it will just ruin our day. It will make you very anxious, maybe cause sleepless night. So it's really very important for us to look at the problem as if it were a, let's call it a corporate problem, or something that we handle in the office or in any workplace that you are in. Because if we treat problems like that, but again, I'd like to mention it's easier said than that. I agree. But if we do look at problems like that, I mean reducing it into small problems, then maybe it will be easier for us to solve them. So let's say you are looking at business opportunities, or maybe you are in a business right now and you have no sales, or probably your market base is very small, very negligible. Maybe it's teaching you that whether it is the right business for you. Are you passionate about it? Are you willing to do all the hard work for you to be successful? Are you willing to use those failures as stepping stones towards success? So again, I'm just triggering that mindset that personal problems can be subdivided into small problems, and solving those problems, because it's easier to solve smaller problems, right? So Even in sports, if you want to beat a very strong basketball team, maybe you need to look at some of the nitty-gritties. Maybe you need to focus on defending their best scorer, something like that. So consult me for free, guys. You can email me. We can talk about this. And mind you, guys, I'm saying this not because I am successful already in solving some problems, because people will never get rid of problems. I have my own problems, and worrying will not do you any good. So it's really very important that we have to have a methodology, and I'm suggesting agile or whatever you're very much familiar of, so that we can look at problems with an objective mind, not use emotions, because that will only bring sleepless nights. It will only ruin your day and maybe cause some sickness that will come to you. It's easier said than done, I know that, but if you have a methodology, at least you can use your logical brain for you to be able to solve the problem. Alright guys, I hope I have triggered something that would give you another perspective in looking at your problems. Thank you guys. Hey, welcome back. As a bonus feature, maybe I'd like to discuss about machine learning. It is a form of artificial intelligence. So imagine that this basketball goal is movable, and I suppose if you want to shoot this ball, let's say you attempted 10 times, and maybe the ball went here, or maybe you made a shot. So if out of 10 attempts, you only made 4 out of 10, then that's 40% accuracy, right? So imagine that this movable. So imagine that this goal is able to predict where the goal will go. So maybe it will not be perfect on day one, but as this movable or moving basketball goal learns on how you shoot the ball, then maybe time will come that you will make 10 out of 10. It will be a slam dunk. Alright? So that's machine learning. So imagine that's a bot, and it learns on every aspect, on every inputs that you put. So it will learn, continuously learn until such time that you'll perfect it. Alright? Think automation. Consult me for free.